decorating in this room. The cornices are coming up, and a medallion there. Today's update, I painted the cornices. Here I'm busy doing the front of the drawers. I put the drawers front on. I need help with the doors, not too heavy. I did the skirting boards that was available. I need to put up more. I painted the walls, and somebody's coming to help me with those cornices later. So these drawers had handles, but they kept on coming out, so I got these ones and I'm going to put them up now. Okay, so measure. My handles are 32.99 minus the 32 gives you 67. Half of 67 is 33.5. So it should be 33.5 on the outside. Cool. Now I'm going to drill some holes. I need 2 more to go. Today, I want to finish this room. It's been going on for far too long. I need to fix that up there. Skirting board has been painted. Got somebody in because my hands were giving me grief. I need to fix it up there. And I need to do some touching up. Do some curtains. Iron the blinds. Clean the blinds. Put a mirror up. Put the carpet down. And then we're done. Oh, and I forgot about this. Let's see. Right. Still needs painting. I moved this little chest of drawers in here. And that chair over there. Painted. And everything is in a bit of a mess. But it's looking better. I've painted there. I'm still busy just doing the finishing touches on the door. I had somebody painting for me and they yes, did not colour in the lines. But the furniture is coming in and I am quite excited. This beautiful table runner was sent to me by my friend Krista. And it works perfectly there. My friend has a garden that looks like a forest. And this fern was growing under one of the trees in a pot. And she gave it to me for this room. This jewellery box was commissioned by my mother on my 18th birthday. It's yellow wood and it has an engraving, my name and the date. The wind tore my sheets and I don't have money for new ones, so I just mended it and it's okay. This vintage mirror was given to me by a friend. It looks so pretty here. I love this little lamp. It's Laura Ashley lamp that was given to me by my friend. It just fits into this room perfectly. Every room needs at least one plant. So this little fern was growing in our greenhouse at work, and that is a pole that I've propagated, a string of poles. This was crocheted by my granny. And I just love it here. Its black is ugly. And if I put that in front of it, then you can still see it. So, I think I'm going to use this little box to make a cover that can slide over the plug, because then you can still get to it, and I can put the plant on top. I got a friend to make me this little box, and it's going to go over there. There we go. And now my string of pearls I've placed to grow down. I like the room, and it seems to me Bubbles likes it too. Okay, my little boy. Bye. Are you in my basket?